are with ProjectHowTo, and today we're gonna do upper body mobility. And there is something that you should be aware of. There is a difference between mobility and flexibility. Flexibility is the ability of the muscle to lengthen. On the other hand, mobility is the ability of the joint to move actively through a range of motion. In that upper body mobility workout, I'm gonna show you 4 exercises. I'm gonna do each one for 30 seconds, starting with the neck. So first thing we're gonna do is going up, down, and side to side. What you're gonna try is to hold each one for 5 seconds. Let's get the timer ready, and 3, 2, 1. Here is important to keep your shoulder down. Don't lift your shoulder and put your ear onto the shoulder. Keep it down and go to the shoulder. Go to the other side. Shoulder, shoulder. Okay, next exercise that we're gonna do will target the shoulders. So we're gonna rotate the shoulders. You're gonna go forwards with your shoulders, then you're gonna lift them up, then back and down. Okay, with the rest. And now we're gonna do circles with the arms. I'm gonna go this way so you can see it better. You're gonna start with your hands facing each other. You're gonna turn them out. You're gonna do big circles. And again, keeping your arms nice and straight. Okay, and the last exercise that we're gonna do today is for the wrists. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and with those 4 very simple exercises that I just showed you, you can greatly improve your upper body mobility. In the next video, I'm gonna show you more lower body mobility exercises. Stay tuned so you don't miss it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!